Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to save the file which we have created in Scratch, and how to animate your name with the help of programming skills. We will use this high level language Scratch 2.0. So first of all, let me click on the screen flag so that I can run my previous script. So now look here, stop it. That's how you can stop. Now I want to create duplicate. Click on this stamp and I want to click the duplicate of this one. Just click, hold, drag and just place it over here. And now I want, this is one way to create duplicate. The another way to create duplicate, click on duplicate and now click here to generate another copy. So put it over here. Now the another way is right click, mouse right click on it and you can generate its duplicate. There are three ways. One way is use this stamp. The another way is do what, right click here. The third way is right click here and create duplicate, and here it is the same way, you click here and create its duplicate. Now run the script. Okay, now I want to save my progress, so I will do what, click on file, top left corner, file, save as, and now you can give a name over here. File name, file symbol Scratch 2.0, task 1, how to save project, okay, and how to create duplicate, and how to create duplicate. Okay, now let me give a location. Okay, let me save it on my desktop. That's it. That's how you can save the project. Now I want to create how to animate your name. It's very easy project. So click on top left corner, click on new, and now here it is. Now first of all I need to use this scissor to delete this sprite, this cat. Just click on it and it will erase each and everything. Now I want to animate my name, so I'm looking for my new sprite characters. So here is a new sprite, just click here, and now here are the letters. Pick the letter. So my name is Faisal, so I will pick F block, F. So place F over here. Let me shrink it so that my full name will appear over here, just like that. Okay, now next one is A, so I'm looking for next sprite, so click on letters. Now FA. Okay, now let me shrink this. Okay, now place it over here, FA. Now next one is I, so I will go again, sprite here, click on letters. Now click on I block, click on OK to insert it. So just place it over here. Now shrink it, click on shrink, shrink, select, and now tab here, just like that, FAISAL. Okay, now I want S, so again new sprite, just click here, choose sprite, click on here letters. So where is S? S is over here, S block, click on OK. So let me click here, S, FAIS, shrink it. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm FAISAL, so A is over here. So I will do smart way, just click here, then just drop it on this A block and it will create what, the same A letter with the same size. Okay, now I am looking for the last one, L character, then it will make Faisal. So just click here and now click on left side, category, letters. So here is L block, click on it and now click on OK. So now just place it over here and now do what, shrink it like that. You can even mention your class name as well. So I'm teaching this to class level 5 or level 4, even you can teach to this level 3 as well. So class C, I'm looking for class. So click here, let's click on letter C. Where is C? Okay, C block is here. Click on OK. Insert it. So C, okay, same from C, L. So L is over here, so I'm going to pick L from here. Duplicate, let me create this duplicate. C L, let me place this L over here. C L, then A is here, so create the duplicate of A. C L A. Okay, double S, so S is here, so click here, drop it on S. Now let's create this one copy. Now another copy, just drag, drop it over here, and now you can move this little bit over here. So class, now I want letter, so letter is number, sorry, looking for number. Letters are there, numbers, let's find letters, scroll down. Okay, number 5. Okay, glow. So let me click here and let me place this over here in front of it. Okay, now I want to animate it. When you click this, let's see what happened. Nothing happened. Okay, good. Now I want to write a script behind each letter. So first I have selected the letter F. Now after that I need to click on costume. Here's a script, here's a costume, here's a sound. So click on costume, and now I want to create its duplicate copies. So how to create its duplicate copies? So right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. Okay, then do what? Right click, duplicate. That's enough. Okay, now I want to change its color, so click here. So I've selected this one. I'm going to use this color. Now where is fill tool? This one, color shape. So let's pick this blue, drop it over here. Done. Now select the next one. So here I want to pick this color and I want to drop it over here. Aha, this one. Now drop. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's pick this one. Now let me use this red. Fill. So just fill it. Okay, good. Okay, now let's switch between its costume. Look here, when I click on different pictures, different sprite, it will change the color and you will see its reflection over here. So let me write the script now. Click on script. It's very easy process, the same way we did in our previous lesson. We use what? Control block, first event block. Whenever this green flag click, whenever you click on it, it will do something. So after clicking it, so I will do what? Click on looks because it's related to costume. Bring next costume. Bring next costume. Just place it over here. Now let's start. Have you observed this? Look there. Okay, now I want it will do automatically. So for that I will put what? Control block. In control block I have to put forever block. Now I will place this inside over here. Forever next costume, just attach over here, this block over here under this one. When green flag click, now click on this one. Now that's how you can animate your name. Now let me control its speed. It's easy way, just like our previous tutorial. Wait block, put a wait block. After 1 second it will change its colors, switch between different costume. Okay, now let me click on this one, A, letter A. So click on costume again. So create duplicates, right click here, duplicate, right click, duplicate. I'm using this time only 3. So let me select the color, this one. Let me use this fill tool, drop it over here. Fine. Now select next one. So let me use this color, fill tool. Yes, done. Okay, now good. Let me choose this one. Here I want to use red color, fill, shape, and now drop it over here just like that. Okay, now I want to write the same script behind this as well. So I will do what? Click on script, just simply drag this from here and drop it over here. That's it. Okay, now let me run the script. Isn't it? Okay, now the same way I want to write the script behind this character I, letter I. So let's do this. Costume. Okay, let me create this duplicate. I'm going to animate only this eye till eye. Rest of you need to do it on your own. It's your challenge. Okay, I'm giving you this task for that. Okay, if you face any difficulty, let me know. You can write in the comment box. Please like and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, so that you can get the latest feed from my channel. By the way, thank you very much for your support. Okay, now click on next costume. Okay, now I'm going to pick this color. So use this bucket over here and just place it over here, drop it over there. Now next one, okay, fine, this one I'm going with this color. Now I'm going to change this last one, so let me use this one. Whatever you like, it's up to you. Okay, you can pick any color. Now I will do what? Now I will do the same thing. I will copy the script from here and place it behind this one. Done. Even I can drag and drop all this code behind all these sprites, just like that. Drag and drop all the code behind this. Okay, it's very simple, like that. Okay, now click on play. Now look here. That's how you can animate your name. Okay, now I want to animate these A's, so I will do what? I'm going to do a smart work. So stop. First I will delete this A, letter A from here. Done. And now I will create a duplicate of this letter A. So just me place this over here. Done. Okay, now the same way I want to create. Okay, stop. Okay, now stop. Now I want to create the duplicate again for this letter. Done. Now I want to replace it over here, place it over there. I just delete this using this scissor. So let me place this over here. That's it. Okay, now click on script. That's how you can animate your name. It's very easy process. Let's do this for S as well. S, same way. What was the protocol? Click on the S character, S sprite, go to the costume, right click on it, create its duplicate copies, just like that. Now after that, pick a color from here. I'm going to pick this time, let's say this one, or green one. So I will use this one. Color a shape, click here and just drop it over here. And now select this one. I'm going to use this time this color, drag and drop here. Okay, now this one. Okay, let me change its color as well. So let me use blue. Okay, like that. Okay, now just click on run the script. It's working. Okay, now stop. Now I want to create this duplicate copy and replace it over here. First I want to delete these two. Done. Again click here, delete this. Done. Okay, now I want to create this duplicate of this S. So I will do what? Create duplicate S. Okay, now play on the script. Good. Okay, stop. Okay, now let me create this duplicate one more. Click on stamp, just click here and like that. Okay, now let me add one more color here, one or two more colors, so that we can switch between different colors as well, like that. And this one, let me use this time black color. Just drop it here and now run the script. How's it? If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.